Okay, let me show you. I tried to keep the packages of what I had purchased. And so let me try to tell you what I planted. I planted some tulips, Apple Dorn's Elite. And these were $3.24 for 5 bulbs. And I think I found these at Walmart. And some of the flowers that I planted, the bulbs I planted, I don't think I kept the package. And they look very similar to these. These tulips are called Jan's Signet. And they were $3.24 for 5 bulbs. Real similar to the other tulips. Oh yeah, and these bloom, let's see, bloom mid-spring. And I think I put these in a container. Or I may have put a few out in the front yard. And let's see. These bloom mid-spring. Okay, let's go. Let's see these. These are some tulips, double early mix. They bloom in early spring. About 5 bulbs for $3.24. It's supposed to be a mixture. I think I planted them in a container. Now, I think these were planted in the either front yard or backyard. These are the early spring bloomer daffodil early bride. You get 6 bulbs for $4.98. I think I got these at Home Depot. Okay, and then I got some replete daffodil, 5 bulbs for $3.24. And they bloom mid-spring. I think I planted some of those in a container and also out in the front yard. Now in the backyard, I got some bulbs from Breck's Bulbs, and I don't have a package of what that's supposed to look like. But they were red, I believe, some red and some yellow tulips. Okay, these are some daffodils, Vigoro, mammoth yellow daffodils. You get 12 bulbs for $9.98. And these bloom, let's see, they bloom in mid-spring is what it says. So we'll see. I also got the Daffodil Dutch Master, mid-spring bloomer. 6 bulbs for $4.98. And they bloom, let's see. Does it tell me? Mid-spring bloomer. They get about, what, 12 to 18 inches tall. I got the Red Devon daffodil, early to mid-spring, 6 bulbs for $4.98. And their height is 16 to 20 inches tall. They say they naturalize well and they'll keep coming back. So I think I put these in the yard, in the front yard. I might have put some in the backyard. I cannot remember. I'm sorry. I know I put some hyacinths. I put some hyacinths in the front yard. $9.98, 6 bulbs. The hyacinths mix blooms early spring. And they have such a good smell. Very fragrant. And their height is only 6 to 12 inches tall. That's called the hyacinth mix. I got these at Home Depot. And then the early spring bloomer hyacinth mix. 12 bulbs for $14.98. Their height is 6 to 12 inches. And they're an early spring bloomer. So hopefully this is what's going to be growing in my containers and in my front and backyard. We'll see. We'll see if everything blooms like it's supposed to. So I remembered to keep the package. And as I said, I did order some bulbs from Breck's Bulbs. I ordered tulips. And I think they were in a red and a yellow, I believe. Cannot remember. That's why you need to keep your package and write it down. And we'll just see what blooms in the front and the backyard. And I also put a few in containers. So stay tuned for Life with Miss D so you can see what is blooming in spring. And I can't wait for spring. All right, bye-bye. Hey, welcome to Life with Miss D. I'm in the garden in the backyard and I want to show you what's growing. It's February and I have a few things budding up and I want to show you the early stages and then the full bloom. So what I have right here, these are, I believe, tulips. I think they're tulips. I have to go find the package of what I think I planted, and then here's some more tulips. I planted actually tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Okay, and I'm gonna try to go find the package. I don't see anything budding and sprouting right in here for some reason. I'm not sure why not, but I know I planted something here too. I just don't see anything yet. And then right here, tulips, should be daffodils. I think I planted hyacinths too. So that is what's trying to sprout in my garden. So I just wanted to show it to you. And I'll try to go find the package of what I believe I planted. I ordered some bulbs from Breck's Bulbs. And so I'm curious to see if they do better than the ones that I normally get at Home Depot. I found some at Home Depot and at Walmart. So just wanted to show you what's happening in the garden on Life with Miss D. Here is my front yard. They're trying to bloom. They're sprouting and blooming. Hyacinths and daffodils. And I believe I planted a little bit of tulips in there too. They haven't come up yet. Well, they are sprouting, but they haven't started blooming. Yeah, those are hyacinth and tulips right there. Just hadn't come up yet. Here's the daffodils. They're on their way. The hyacinths. Here's my hyacinths. And I got a little tulip trying to come out too. Look at the flowers that are blooming. Look at the beautiful flowers that are blooming. It's not even spring yet.